Writing equations of quadratic functions from graphs. In example A, we can see that this parabola opens up. We can see that the vertex is given as -1, 0. And we're asked to write the equation in vertex form of the quadratic function. Vertex form looks like this: y equals a times x minus h quantity squared plus k. A, the leading coefficient, tells us if the graph opens up or down. If A is positive, it opens up. If A is negative, it opens down. It also tells us how wide or narrow the graph will be. The vertex is h, k. So for the graph shown in example A, we'll write the vertex form. Now we'll identify the vertex. So we know h is -1 and k is 0. We can substitute the h and the k into the vertex form. And we can simplify inside the parentheses. And now to determine A, we'll look at the width of this parabola. From the vertex, I went over 1 and up 1 to get to the next point. So because of that, my A equals 1. Very often your A will either be 1 or -1. And now we can just simplify this. The most common way you would see this is y equals x plus 1 quantity squared. Now we'll look at example B. We'll start with the vertex form and we'll look at the vertex. H is -1, k is -1. We'll substitute the h and the k into the parentheses and we will simplify the expression. Now to determine if A is 1, we know it's positive. To determine if it's 1, did I go over 1 and up 1 to get to my next two lattice points? I did. So my A equals 1. And again, I can rewrite this as x plus 1 quantity squared minus 1. So that's how we write the vertex form of the parabola.